Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 2001 to 2007 Sequoia. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or remove the body from your frame. With a 12mm socket, remove your bump stop. If your bolts have broken off, you'll need to cut out the factory welded nuts and weld new ones in their place. We've included replacement nuts for this purpose if needed. Then, spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Once you have your frame section in place, take the 2 included bolts and screw them into place where your bump stop was located. This will keep your frame section in place while welding on your part. Tighten your bolts with a 12mm socket. You can also clamp your part into place with C-clamps to ensure a tight fit. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the over-axle frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. Step 4. After welding on your part, remove the bolts you screwed in earlier. Then, hold your bump stop up to the underside of your frame rail and reinstall the bolts, tightening them with a 12mm socket. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!